Color Picker enables you to select and apply colors to your design seamlessly. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To use the Color Picker, let's quickly open any design. We're going to go into presentation and pick a design from here. Let's pick this one and click on customize design. Now that our design is open, let me quickly go into the next page and select on this color. Maybe I want to change this color to something else. You see, once this element is selected, you're going to see this editing toolbar come up. We're going to go over to text colors here, and you can see the color palette that I created. You can see the document colors, the photo colors are already in my design. You can see all of it here, and you can see default colors and gradient default colors. To use the color picker, we're going to click on this plus sign here and click on it, and you see the eyedropper tool. You're going to use this pen to pick a color. We can pick a color from any point in our design. Maybe we want to change this color to this. You can see our color has changed to that. Let's go into this page also, and if we choose to select the image, you will see that the image has no color on it. But when we click on colors, you can see the colors of the image. Let's go into the color picker and see whether we can use a pick a color. This pen here is what you use to pick a color from anywhere in your documents or any parts you're working on. You can select colors from any parts of your page. Then the blue part, let's select the blue part. You see, it has changed the whole thing to blue. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Do have a good one.